Today, I will show you how to stream Netflix. This is a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open Discord. You can do this through your browser or the desktop app. Once Discord is open, go to the bottom left corner and click on User Settings. Scroll down until you find Voice and Video, then click on it. In the Voice and Video section, scroll down until you see Video Hardware Acceleration. If it is turned on, turn it off. Click OK to confirm the change. Next, open the browser you use to watch Netflix. In this example, I am using Chrome, but the process is similar for other browsers like Edge or Firefox. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu, then go to Settings. In the Settings search bar, type Graphics. Look for the option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available. If it is turned on, turn it off. After that, relaunch your browser so the changes take effect. Once your browser is open again, go back to Discord. Join a voice channel, click on Share Your Screen, and select your Netflix tab. You should now be able to stream Netflix on Discord without the black screen problem. That is how you can stream Netflix on Discord without any issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.